In this video, I will show you how to contact Crypto.com customer service, whether you do or don't have an account. Now first, if you do have an account, just open up the Crypto.com app and sign in, and then in the top left, click on the three lines, and then scroll down until you see settings. And then here from settings, you want to go and click on support. Now after clicking support, you have a few quick links and a help center, but in order to talk to an actual person, go to contact support. Then it will redirect you to the following screen. From here you have a few FAQs, but if you actually want to talk to someone, click on send us a message, and typically they respond within 10 minutes. So from here, first just choose your preferred language, and then you will see this. So if it's any of these categories, just select it, and otherwise click something else. And then here, just type in your message, and then just gonna send it to them. So you can see they will redirect you to further assistance. So that's one way to contact Crypto.com customer service if you have an account. The other way to do it, for even if you don't have an account, is to just send an email to contact@crypto.com, and by doing that you will also be able to send them a message. So that's just through email, but doing it through the app is the best way to do it, because then you will actually already be verified and signed in to your account. So that's how to contact Crypto.com customer service. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.